Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Today, the construction vehicles have a serious task. They need to take away a huge pile of soil. The big trucks are waiting in a line. The purple dump truck is heading out with a full load. Red truck, you're next. But the other trucks will have to wait a bit. There's just one excavator, and it can only work so fast. The excavator empties its first full bucket into the red truck's bed, turns back, and scoops up more soil again. This is complicated work. Meanwhile, the other trucks are honking their horns. They are tired of waiting. Maybe the little cars can help out the excavator with the work. Look, little cars, there's only one excavator and so many dump trucks. What if we attach something to the front of each little car? Like the bulldozer. Then they'll also be able to load soil into the dump trucks. The little cars are going to the service station. There, they'll be turned into mini excavators. An experienced mechanic, the manipulator, works at the service station. A powerful motor will be needed to work with the heavy load. The little wheels and tires come off. They could get mired in the mud, and then the whole car would be stuck. These tires will work better. They're jumbo. They'll go anywhere. Attaching the front bucket. Let's check how well our mini excavator performs. It handled that tire perfectly. The cars are leaving the service station. They are hurrying off to help the excavator. Look, the poor excavator still hasn't filled the red truck's bed with soil. It's good that you've come, little cars. Help him out, quick! Fill up your buckets with soil. Like this. And empty them into the dump truck's bed. It's really easy to ride over the ground on jumbo tires, right? But you're muddying up the dump truck. Come on down. Help out the excavator. The green mini excavator takes some soil in its bucket and empties it into the dump truck. Perfect! The other little cars have also started working on the task. One more bucket full of soil goes in the bed. And another. The bed is full. Now for the green dump truck. And the blue one. And the yellow one. How quickly the work is going. The dump trucks can go now. The little cars really enjoyed helping out the excavator. And the excavator is very grateful for their help. Now they can return to the service station to get their buckets removed and their jumbo tires changed out. Maybe next time the little cars can be transformed into some other construction vehicles and help out again.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beef and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Look, the house is on fire. The little red car has seen the fire and is off to get help. It's come to the helper car's garage. Which of the helper cars can put out the fire? The crane truck? No. Little car, try knocking on a different door. The red car has picked the red door. I wonder who's there. Hooray! That's the right helper car. The fire engine is here to put out the fire. It's got a gray water cannon on its roof. Look at those powerful jets of water. The fire is out. Thank you, fire engine. Oh, do you hear that? Someone is barking. It's the puppy. A troublemaking monster truck has taken the puppy's bone. Which helper car can chase down that mischief maker? The street sweeper? No. Which one then? Maybe the helper car we need is behind the purple door. Wow, those are balls. There aren't any vehicles there. Shall we check the blue door? Hooray! That's the right one. It's the police car. Quick, police car. You've got to help. That truck has upset the little puppy. Monster truck, give the puppy back his bone, or we'll have to punish you. That's better. Ah, something else has gone wrong. The bridge has collapsed. Little car, who can help? The police car? No. The fire engine? I don't think so. The crane truck? Right. Do you remember which door it was behind? The yellow one. This helper car's got a strong metal jib and a hook. It can use them to lift the bridge up. The truck is pushing out its jib. Now the crane truck is lifting the bridge and setting it in place. Wonderful work! Everyone can get over the bridge now. The red car is off to the playground to have some fun. What's happened here? There shouldn't be any rubbish on the playground. Which helper car do we need now? Do you remember who was behind the green door? The street sweeper. Hooray! It's heading off to the playground. Its brushes are down and ready to start sweeping. Now the playground is clean. The little car has brought his friends to play and have fun. And all the helper cars have gone back to their garage.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars have found lots of colorful blocks on the playground. What should they do with them? The yellow car pulls out a block. Hooray! Let's build a colorful tower. The cars bring the first row of blocks. First, let's arrange a circle on the ground. It looks like a sun with colorful rays. It's time to build the second floor. One, two. The blocks won't stay in place. They're falling over. We need cranes. The more, the better. Let's paint them in different colors to make things easier. The first crane will be red. The second crane will be green. The third will be blue. The fourth will be yellow. And the fifth, the most beautiful, pinky purple. The helper cars arrived so quickly at the playground. Do you think they will build fast too? First, let's move the blocks that aren't in the right places. Let's arrange them more evenly. The red crane lifts the blue blocks, and the green crane lifts the purple ones. They're going so fast! The tower turned out tall and very beautiful. Wow! Thank you. Can we go to the very top? Of course we can. After all, the crane is strong and powerful. And now come down, little car. It's dangerous to be so high up. Guess what the little cars will do now? Of course, play! The toy cars will pull out blocks one by one. Whoever makes the tower fall over loses. The beginning of the game seems very simple. The cars easily pull out the blocks. Blue, purple, green. But now there are fewer and fewer blocks. The tower is no longer as sturdy. The bottom layer cannot be touched anymore. Otherwise, the tower will fall. The crane lifts the red car. Maybe if we pull out a block from higher up, the tower won't fall. It didn't fall. Still standing. It's still up. The yellow car tries to pull out a block from the bottom. The tower wobbles. Bang! The blocks scatter. The yellow car lost, but it was a lot of fun. The car really enjoyed it. Shall we play again? The cars really enjoyed it. Shall we play again? Time to rebuild the tower. Luckily, the little cars have the big helper cars here.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear. Beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
What a beautiful day! The little racing cars are playing at the playground. The red car is bouncing on a trampoline. The purple car is swinging on the swing set. The yellow car goes up the lift and slides down the slide. Oh, what's going on? The ground under the trampoline is shaking. The slide is rocking. A huge crack opens up in the earth. It's an earthquake. Deep underground, huge plates are shifting. It's a good thing the earthquake was short, but now it's necessary to put things back in order. The slide needs to be set back right, and the swings. Everything that was tossed over in just a few seconds. The little cars can't do it on their own. Oh no! Even the ramp up to the garage was damaged, and part of the garage roof fell in. The garage doors won't open. A vehicle is stuck inside. Little cars, try to get the door to open. The yellow car wants to move the huge blue part. It's not strong enough. The red car goes for help. A crane truck is working at a construction site. It's very powerful and can lift heavy objects. Crane truck, can you help us, please? The crane truck raises its supports. It slowly turns and follows the red car to the helper car garage. To lift the heavy load without tipping over, the crane truck needs to put down its supports again. The crane truck rotates its crane and attaches to the load with its strong magnet. One part of the ramp is already in place. Let's put up the arch. Now the crane truck can drive up to the second floor. What's next? That's right, the crane truck puts down its supports and lifts the load. One part of the roof is in place. And the second one too. Great job, crane truck. Now, the helper cars can get out of the garage and go help out at the playground. The dump truck, the excavator, the bulldozer, and the crane truck are all going on the playground mission. The crack in the ground must be filled, and the swings and slides need to be set up properly. The dump truck pours gravel into the crack. These little stones will be covered with soil later. The crane truck flips the purple slide. The excavator covers the gravel with soil. The red car can turn over the seesaw all by itself. The bulldozer levels the ground that the earthquake pushed up. Hooray! The helper cars made everything as good as new. Now they can head back to their garage. Let's say goodbye to them. The helper cars need some rest in their garage because someone will need their help again.